Well, now that you got all your wiring done from your main panel to your sub panel to the hot tub, it's time to fill up the hot tub with water. Take your hose, turn it on, pull your filter out of the filter area, stick your hose down as far as you can. You want to get the hose all the way to the bottom of the hot tub because it'll push the bubble or any kind of airlocks that you might have out of the hot tub. You're going to want to make sure your jets are open. You're going to want to make sure that your diverter valves are in the middle. That way no air gets trapped in any of those lines. We want to force that out. Now once you get the water a 1/4 inch or a 1/2 inch above the highest jet, stop filling it with water. Okay? If we have an airlock, one of the ways that you can get rid of the airlock is to turn the hose back on, put your thumb over it, and force the water through where the filter area will go. You just shoot the water down there as hard as you can. The other way to get rid of an airlock, if you've watched my previous video, is to use a plunger. Now I'm putting out another video here in about 2 weeks that shows you what causes airlocks and how to get rid of airlocks. And I've got probably a 6 different ways that I've used over the past to get rid of airlocks. So anyways, once you start, you get your hot tub full of water. You've turned it on. You're going to turn on jet 1. Wait a couple seconds, turn on jet 2. If it doesn't prime itself immediately, shut it off. Walk all the way around the hot tub if you can. Turn it back on. Turn on jet 2. Sometimes it'll take a minute or two. Sometimes it primes itself immediately. But you just got to be patient. This is the first time you're starting the hot tub. So just be patient. It'll start working. Don't get frustrated. Once you got it up and running, there's nothing more to do but add chemical. I'll also be doing a video in the future on how I add chemical. Now there's many ways to add chemical. I'm just going to show you how I do it. So anyways, I appreciate you guys watching my video. If you could, in the right hand corner, for those of you that haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and the bell, and every time I put out a video it'll notify you. And with that, I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'll see you on the next one. Have a great day, everybody. We are now filling the hot tub with water. We got about another foot to go and this hot tub will be completely filled with water, and then we'll fire it. Okay, when you are standing in front of your topside control, your breaker box should be in line of sight no more than 25 feet away from the hot tub. This is for safety. You should have no obstructions, no obstacles to go around. If you have a problem with the hot tub, you need to be able to move around, go straight to it, open the box, and shut off the hot tub. Okay, everybody, the hot tub is pretty much full of water. It's up over the edge and it's going down into the filter area. Now I always take out the filter, just like I've told you guys in past videos. Throw it in the water, let it get nice and full of water. Otherwise you're going to get what's called an airlock because it'll be dry. You take this is your diverter valve. You go all the way one way, all the way the other way, it stops. So this is your one all the way that way. That way, put that in the center. All the jets have been opened so that we're not going to get an airlock. Okay, now we're going to walk over to the panel. We're going to flip it on. It says 59, 41. It's going through all of its tests right now. It should say PR next. 24. Come on, baby. Got to give it a PR. PR, we push jets. Sometimes it'll take a couple minutes. There's some bubbles. We got movement. We got more bubbles. Shut it off for a second. There's some more bubbles. Sometimes it will take a couple seconds. I can hear it starting to move underneath. Another big gurgle. Still bubbling. There she blows. Sometimes you just gotta give it a minute or so to get going. Okay, we have this hot tub all up and running. I did want to make a disclaimer. I put the Tough Spa topside control on this particular hot tub because the tub itself, like if you were watching any of my past posts on Facebook, you saw me rebuilding this hot tub and putting a new pack on the inside and putting a new heater, putting a new pump, and I used the Tough Spa topside control because I just had it. Because they're simple, they work really well. So anyways, this particular job is all complete, up and running. Everything bubbles really good. Everything's working really awesome on the tub. So can't wait to get this place all rented out and have some people enjoy this new hot tub. Next up will be, at this particular location, I'll be putting in some LED lights. I'm going to be putting in an outdoor kitchen, stereo TV, refrigerator. This will be quite the outdoor operation. We have a pool over there. Pretty awesome. If I could be of service to anybody that watches these videos, please don't hesitate to say something in the comments. Send me an email, send me a text. I'll try to help you out any way I can. And with that, my name is Scott with the Arizona Hot Tub Factory, and they call me the Spa Man. See you later, everybody.